A ship that sails without a compass will definitely get lost at the sea. Which one do you prefer? Option number 1, starting this year of 2024 with absolute clarity. Or option number 2, where you get lost at the sea of random thoughts and random goals. If you chose option number 1, then let me explain to you what is intention setting workshop. Now, in this beautiful workshop, I will take you through a structural activity where we will first revisit your year of 2023 and release all the negative energies, experiences and traumas that you have experienced in this year which is not working for you. And in the second phase, what we will do is, after creating this space inside you for manifestation, we will revoke your manifestation energy so that we create the purpose, the vision and the clarity for you. We set the right intention for the upcoming year so that you achieve all your goals in your health, relationship, career and money. If this is something that interests you, join me in this beautiful workshop which is happening this week. All the details are mentioned below, and let me handhold you to create your year of success, which is 2024.